Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this braided cornrow wig cap using expression braiding hair in color 1. So here I went ahead to sew my closure net onto the wig cap, and this is me showing you how it should turn out. This is the type of wig cap that I used. I like using this one very well. And then my lace net, I made myself a pre-braided hair. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, let me know and I would do a video on this, but I just didn't want this video to be too long, so I did that off camera. You'd also need some push paints and control paints, your thread needle, and that's basically it. In order to start the hair, I'm going to make my first placement, and if you see the closure net, it's kind of pushed forward like to the eyebrow area. This is because I don't want the hair to be pushed back once I'm done. I'm then moving ahead to start sewing the hair, and if you can watch how I'm doing it, I don't know how to explain this, but then I passed my needle beneath the net and then I picked a piece of hair from the cornrow, if that makes sense, and that is how I attached the hair to the closure net. Let me explain it one more time. So with my needle, I place it under the net of the cornrow where I placed it, and then before I bring the needle out, I make sure that I pick hair beneath the cornrow in order to make it secured. Then I bring it out and then kind of pull the thread, and that makes it very secured and firm on the closure net. I'm just going to leave you guys to watch how I'm doing it, and I'll meet you on the other side of the video. So that's it for the first one. I'm then going ahead to start placing the braided hair. That's my invisible cornrow braided hair. It looks like it's been braided from the scalp, but then we pre-made it before we attach it to the closure net, but don't tell anyone about it. So yeah, I'm just placing it and then sewing as I go along. I'm just going to show you guys how I do the placement so you can get a fair idea of what I'm doing. And as I'm placing the hair, I'm leaving spaces in between because we want it to be realistic. Like you're braiding your old cornrow, you don't braid it like everything should be close up to your hair. You leave in between spaces. So that is what I'm trying to do here. I'm not trying to close the gap. I intentionally left the gap to make it more natural. I'm just placing the cornrow for you guys to get a fair idea of what I want to show you, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew them off camera, of course, in order to save time. After placing the hair, I went off camera to sew it, and this is how that side looked. Now let's move on to the other side of the hair. After placing all the hair, this is how it looked like, and then I went ahead to sew everything down and make it more secured and firm. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. This hair came out really nice and beautiful. And because of this, I want to give this hair to one lucky subscriber. I want to do a giveaway with this hair, but I'll do 2 more cornrow caps, or it could be any other wig cap that I do on this channel, and then I'm going to give it to some followers or some subscribers who have been supporting me since day one. And now that we hit 20,000 subscribers, this is a way of saying thank you for supporting this brand. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and share this video as well. And until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome.